Feeling lost in the world of personal finance? What if I told you there's a simple, straightforward rule that could put you on the path to financial freedom by 2026? It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's about to change how you think about your money. First, let's break down exactly what this rule is. Imagine your after-tax income as a whole pie. The 50-30-20 rule simply shows you how to slice it. The largest piece, 50% of your income, is allocated for your needs. These are the absolute essentials, the non-negotiables that keep your life running smoothly. Think about your monthly rent or mortgage payment, the groceries you need to buy each week, your utility bills, and the cost of commuting to work. These are the expenses you must cover, forming the foundation of your budget. Next up is the 30% slice, which is dedicated to your wants. This is where the fun happens. This category covers all the discretionary spending that enhances your lifestyle and brings you joy. It includes things like dining out with friends, your Netflix and Spotify subscriptions, tickets to a concert, or that new gadget you've been eyeing. While these aren't essential for survival, they are crucial for a balanced and happy life. This is your budget for enjoyment, so you can spend it guilt-free. The final and arguably most powerful 20% of your income is for savings and debt repayment. This is your ticket to a secure financial future. This portion of your money works for you, building wealth and eliminating financial burdens. You can use it to build a robust emergency fund for unexpected events, contribute to your retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, or aggressively pay down high-interest debt like credit card balances or personal loans. Every dollar you put here is an investment in your future self. So how do you put this powerful rule into practice? It's easier than you think. The first step is to calculate your monthly after-tax income. This is your take-home pay, the actual amount that hits your bank account after taxes and other deductions. Once you have that number, you know the total amount you can allocate across the three categories. Step 2 is to track your spending. For a month, monitor where every single dollar goes. You can use a budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or even a notebook. The goal is to get a clear picture of your current spending habits. This will reveal if your spending aligns with the 50-30-20 ratio and highlight areas where you might need to make changes. The final step is to adjust and optimize. Compare your actual spending to the ideal 50-30-20 percentages. Are you spending 70% on needs? Maybe it's time to find a cheaper apartment or cut down on grocery bills. Is your wants category closer to 40%? Look for subscriptions you can cancel or ways to entertain yourself more affordably. The key is to make conscious decisions that move your spending closer to the target ratios. For beginners, remember to start small, stay consistent, and review your budget regularly to ensure it still works for you. Embracing the 50-30-20 rule brings incredible benefits that go beyond just numbers on a spreadsheet. It significantly reduces financial stress by giving you a clear, simple plan. You no longer have to guess if you can afford something. Your budget provides the answer. This clarity allows you to set and achieve tangible financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or planning a dream vacation. Most importantly, it accelerates your journey toward wealth building, creating a future where you are in control of your finances, not the other way around. In short, the 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective framework for managing your money. It provides a balanced approach that covers your essentials, allows for enjoyment, and systematically builds your wealth. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to take control of your finances is now. Start your financial journey with clarity today and pave your own path to freedom.